I took the assignment that you had done in your class that you told me that students were kind of struggling with, and I put it on a Google Doc and put your directions here and added a couple of directions to the side. And then I've made an example using Kami, that program that I told you about. And so I tried to answer the question, and then I added a video comment, and those show up over here. And then you can do a reply to that video by coming over here to video comment, and then you can use a different color other than the student. Put it right there, and then you can do your recording where you can say no or something else and give them feedback for that recording. And by building this inside of Canvas, you can see that this comes up in my speed grader, and I didn't put it out of any points, but you could give them the points here and they would see all of their feedback on one page. And I hope that this would help you for the things that you're trying to do in class.